Hey guys, so as you'll see in a minute, my chin started breaking out again. So recently my chin broke out a lot, but it was pretty bad. So in the meantime, I made this tutorial to show you how you can cover up your acne, and you'll see this as compared to what you're going to see in a minute. I'm gonna start with this. Have you seen those YouTubers who just like spray their entire face? Like, don't waste. I mean, I guess they can afford it. Just, I got this on sale. Does this work? I mean, yes and no. I have extremely oily skin. Like, extremely. I've used this before and I don't particularly like it. Oh, it doesn't have that satisfying snap. Oof. So I'm gonna see if this helps. But it hasn't been the best primer, just in general. What's next? I'm going to be using these. I'm almost out of this, and it's not my color. For the purpose of keeping my brushes and sponges clean, I'm gonna use my finger, because fingers are the fullest coverage. I realize you're supposed to use green for redness, but I only have orange, and it blends in rather nicely, doesn't it? So now we're gonna take this, and when I got it, I was just doing like that, and I wasn't looking, and I didn't realize there was a whole bunch left, so I put it in a container, so I'm gonna use that. It's just a little goopy. Alright, I'm back. We ran out of memory, and I don't know how much of that was lost, if any of it was lost. So basically the steps are: put a corrector on, put a concealer on, apply foundation. I'm going to contour just a wee tiny bit, and I mix these two. Not too much, because honestly my face is pretty long and I'm not trying to elongate it any more than I need to. Personally, I just pinch this brush. If you don't have to have a brush for this and a brush for that. Just take, this is an e.l.f. brush. This is the professional bronzing brush. I don't know how much, I've had this for years, and let me tell you, it has not fallen apart. This Morphe brush, I've had this like a year and a half. Look at this, it's falling apart. This one, not falling apart. Had this, I can't even tell you how long I've had this. Not that I don't like this, because I do, but just saying. I heard this makes your face look smaller, so normally I would go for light coverage, more natural looking. I was tired of seeing this. This is everything. It's not showing up. Don't apply highlight in this region. Just don't do it. I personally feel like my eyebrows shouldn't be filled in, and yes, I haven't removed the hair between them because they're into place, or I'll just let them do their thing. At some point I'll probably get them shaped, but the last time I had that done, it was not so good. Today I'm going to use this Lash Princess Mascara. It seems like my eyelashes make my eyes look droopy. You see the difference between this eye and this eye? This is not my favorite mascara. And my eyelash curler broke. So what I do instead is I just push them up and hold them. This is like the cheapest lip liner you'll ever come across. It's by Essence. This one is number 11 in the Nude, and I quite like it. Apparently it contains carmine, but it's cheap, so. My lips are so dry. I don't know what I'm gonna put on them. This is pretty close to my lips. I'm sorry, I look like a child. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in, and this is how I cover up acne. So I hope this helps someone. And thanks for watching.